Morning, sir.
Good morning, student. Good morning. Good morning. Myself, Mohammed Azhar. I'm going to teach badminton today. Keep silence. Students, before starting topics, I will ask some of the questions from you all. Answer with proper statement. What is circle?
Sir,
Yes.
a circle is a geometrical figure of no edges. A radius is a line which is drawn
Fine.
from
Down.
center and circumference.
Okay, good. So, who will tell what is the radius? Radius.
Sir,
Yes.
radius is a center of circumference in a circle.
Sit down. Okay. So, who will tell me what is the fixed point in circle?
Sir,
Yes.
center is a fixed point in circle.
Very good. Have you said? Now, next question is name the part, one or two part of circle. Who will tell me the part of circle? You're not able to answer. We will start topic. So today's topic is circle and its part. See, first of all, I will tell you how circle is made. See, circle is made like this. Circle geometrical figure which is without a edge, that is no vertex is there. So circle don't have any vertex. Second thing is circle is drawn from a fixed point at its center. Center is a fixed point. That is, if we draw a circle like this and we do not have a center, it is not a circle. We draw circle with protector. You have seen that we put a protector's little here and we draw circle help of like this. Fine. So they are the centers through which we draw a circle. Second part of circle is, first part is center. Second part is radius. Who will tell me what is radius? I can tell. Radius.
Which is drawn in frame of center and circumference.
Yes, you're right. Sit down. Very good. See, centers is this. If we draw a line, centers to the circumference, to the surroundings of circle, we get radius. Center is clear. Radius is clear. So now we come on third part, it is diameter. Diameter. See, all of you listen here. Diameter is a line which divides the circle in two equal halves. It is the longest chord of the circle. Like this, if you draw a straight line from the 2 points of the circle, it's A, B, this diameter. The property diameter states that diameter should pass through the center. Diameter should pass through the center. So AB is diameter. We write here O, OB is radius, and O is center. This is the diameter and radius center. Now the fourth part is chord. What is chord? Chord is also line which touch 2 points on the circle like this. But chord is not diameter. Listen this, one thing very important. diameters are chord, but all chords are not diameters. See, chord is CD, EF. Chord do not pass through the center. Very good. Fifth part is arc. Arc is a 2 points which are on the circumference or surrounding of circle like this. We write C, G, H, I, J. C to G is arc. G to H is arc. H to I is arc. I to J is arc. Symbol of arc is like this. This is the arc. Sixth topic is concentric circles. That is a circle inside a circle like this. And you have to tell me what is the circle A, circle B, circle 3. What is the common thing in circle A, B and C?
Sir,
Yes?
center.
Center. Very good, very good. Taha, very good. Center is the common thing in the circle. So concentric circle is that circle which have a common set like that. Center. This was the thing. See, all of you, center part, from which we draw a circle. Chord is that point which touch 2 points on the surrounding of the circle. Third part is diameter, which is a straight line which passes through center of the circle. Fourth part is radius, which is from the center to the surroundings. Fifth part is segment, which is cut this line with the help of the chord, some of the parts of the circle. Last part is concentrated circle, that is the circle inside a circle which is same as the common center. There are two formulas in the chart, that is number one is area, I r square. Who tell me what is r?
Sir,
Yes.
radius.
R is radius of the circle I written here. And what is the formula of circumference?
Sir,
2 pi r only, not a square. Okay, 2 pi r written here. This was a part of the topic. I will ask some of the questions from you all. You have to answer them properly.
Okay, sir.
Question answers. Ji. So first question is, name any 2 points of the 2 parts of circle. Who will help me? Yes.
Radius and diameter.
Radius and diameter are 2 parts of circle. Note down in your copy.
Okay, sir.
Radius and diameter are 2 part of circle. Question number 2 is, what do you understand by radius?
Sir.
Yes. Speak up.
sir,
Can you tell now?
sir, a radius is a line which is drawn in center of circle and circumference.
No, you are wrong. Ha, you are right up to the part. Radius is a line touch या which is हाँ touch सही है line which is drawn कर दिया आपने drawn from center to surrounding third part is what are the concentric circles.
So a circle inside a circle.
Very good.
But it is
Circle
a fixed point its center.
inside a circle. Circle inside a circle is called
Concentric circle.
concentric circle. Fourth part is what is chord?
So a chord is a line between point A and B, but it is not a diameter because it is not touch to center.
Chord is a line which touch two points on circle. Last question for today. What is diameter? Okay, fine. Diameter is a line which passes through center and touch 2 points on circle. Check. So now we have the finger blank like this, and all of you got the who know the answer. Raise your hand only. Diameter is dash chord of circle.
So
Yes.
longest chord of circle.
Largest chord of the circle. Very good. Second is chord does not pass through dash of the circle. Center of the circle. Area of circle is
Sir,
yes
pi r square.
pi r square. Very good, boys.
Yes, sir. Pi r square.
Very good, Ali. Circle circumference of circle is
Sir, 2 pi r.
2 pi r. 2 pi r. And the last one is semicircle make dash circle.
So one circle, one full circle.
Semicircle make one full circle. So all of you note down your copy.
Okay, sir.
I will give 2 of the questions. Note down your copy. Homework for the question.
Yes, sir.
Homework for your note down your diary. First is write 2 properties of circle. Draw well labeled diagram also.
Okay, sir. One more time.
Write 2 type of the diagram and say 2 properties of circle with diagram. And second thing is properly write 2 things in your copy, that is diameter and radius. In class, in the class.